Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play with friends in eFootball PC. Alright, let's get started. So before we get started, what you have to do is install an Android emulator software such as BlueStacks on your PC so that you'll be able to play the game on your PC or laptop. So first let's search for BlueStacks on Google, and here you can see this is our website. And once you go here, what you have to do is click on the download BlueStacks option, and once you download it, you will get the BlueStacks application on your Windows PC, which looks something like this. And here you can see I have already downloaded the eFootball 24 application. So if you want to download it, what you have to do is just search for it over here, and once you search for it, you'll be able to install the game on your PC. So let's search for the game, and here you can see it is right over here. And now what you have to do is you have to open this application on the BlueStacks player. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so over here you can see we are on our game. So now what you have to do is just click on the match and scroll until you see this option and click on that option. And here you can see there are various options provided to you. So if you want to play a 1v1 match, just click on create 1 versus 1 match room. If you want to play with 3 teams, you can just go over there as well. And over here you can set the password as well, and once you do that, just click on the create and your room will be created. And over here you can invite the people as well, or you can just share the room ID, the room number, and the password as well. They'll be able to join this lobby with you, and you'll be able to play this game with your friends like this. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to play eFootball 24 in PC or laptop with friends. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.